Here at Towing and Trailers, we get many problems where people are purchasing a wheel and tyre and they don't understand the tyre size. The tyre size is the most important thing you require when purchasing a tyre. It is quite simply marked on the side of the tyre in large lettering usually. This wheel says 4.80/4.00-8. This will identify the size of the tyre, however there may be many different load ratings available. This is a separate number, it's normally a 2 or 3 digit number followed by a letter. On this wheel it's round the opposite side and it says 62M. This means that this wheel can carry 265 kilos at 81 miles an hour. There are different wheels and tyres that are radial and more common on trailers. These are marked differently. They will have the tyre size as a width of a tyre, a profile and the size of the rim. So this wheel would be a 195/50 R13C. The C denotes that it's a commercial wheel, and the load index on this will have 2 3-digit numbers followed by a letter. It will be 104/101N. This means that it can carry 900 kilos at 87 mile an hour. Although most trailer wheels and tyres are rated at an excess of 80 miles an hour, it is still important that you stick to the 60 mile an hour speed limit for trailers in the UK. If you need any further information, please call us and we are happy to help.